In a time not far from now, I lived in a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests. My name is Alara, and this is my story. One day, while exploring my grandmother's attic, I stumbled upon an old tattered map hidden among the dust and cobwebs. The map depicted a path to a mysterious place called Chocopolis. Early one morning, with my backpack filled with essentials and the map clutched tightly in my hand, I set off on the adventure of a lifetime. The buildings shimmered in the sunlight, casting sweet aromas into the air. The streets were paved with dark chocolate bricks. One kind chocolatier named Lucia invited me into her shop. Inspired, I decided to stay. I learned the art of chocolate making.
How to create 3D animation for kids, completely with AI in 5 steps. Step 1. Story creation. Start by generating a story using AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Bing. These tools can help you create engaging and imaginative narratives for your animation. Step 2. Generate images of characters and scenes. Here's a simple yet effective method to generate images. In ChatGPT, click Explore GPTs and search for consistent character GPTs. Provide the story as a prompt and ask ChatGPT to create prompts for generating each scene, ensuring consistent characters. Wonderful, right? To create the images, simply visit the Microsoft Copilot website, click on Designer, and paste the prompts you received from ChatGPT. Click on an image to see the first scene. You can adjust the aspect ratio and styles as needed. For more detailed instructions, check out my previous video, link in the description, about making consistent characters with Copilot Designer. Repeat this process to create all the scenes. Alternatively, you can use any other text-to-image platform you prefer. Step 3. Animate the created images. Use LumaAI to animate the images. For a detailed tutorial, refer to my video on the Luma Dream Machine, link in the description. On the main page of LumaAI, upload the image you want to animate. In the prompt section, describe the image and what you want. Click here to generate the animation. I really like the results. You can also use other image-to-video platforms if you prefer. Check the description for additional options. Step 4. Create the voiceover scripts and generate the voices. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for both the narrator and characters. For voice generation, go to 11 Labs and log in with your Google account. On the main page, click Voices from the left menu, then select Library to browse available voices. Choose a voice such as Rosie from the Teen Voices and add it to your library. Click on Speech from the left menu. Type your text into the provided box. Select the Rosie voice.
One day, while exploring my grandmother's attic, I stumbled upon an old tattered map hidden among the dust and cobwebs.
And download your voiceover. Step 5. Final editing. For final editing, you can use any editing tool you wish. I recommend checking out FlexClip, an online editing tool with numerous free AI features to simplify video creation and editing. There are a bunch of templates with different styles and usages that you can start with. On the main page, click Create a Video and select the desired aspect ratio. In the left menu, click on Media to upload images, videos, and voiceovers created in previous steps from your device. Simply drag the media into the timeline. Add effects, text, and other elements from the left menu. For example, select an effect and drag it into the timeline. FlexClip offers a wide range of music tracks, sound effects, stock videos, and images to enhance your video. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click on the Export button to finalize your video. Enhance engagement by adding lip sync to your animations. You can use Hedra, a free tool for creating lip sync videos. Simply upload your images and voice files to generate a lip sync video. Easy peasy.
One day, while exploring my grandmother's attic, I stumbled upon an old tattered map hidden among the dust and cobwebs.
For more details, check out the video link in the description. Or, for a more advanced lip syncing solution, use Pika. After logging in with your Google account, begin by uploading a video and describing it in the prompt section. Click on the lip sync icon. Upload your voice file and click the Attach and Continue button, and click Generate.
I stumbled upon an old tattered map hidden among the dust and cobwebs.
Once the video is ready, download it from here. That's it. With these simple steps, you can create a complete 3D animation for kids using AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video.